Welcome to Spring Bike Week 2023. Is that good? Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones and welcome to Spring Bike Week 2023. Let's go check it out. My only concern whenever we're filming these bikes is that I'm going to get too close and knock them all down like dominoes. Check out the people. Now they said this year has been one of the biggest ones since COVID. It's 3 times the amount of people down here. The vendors are happy, they're making money, people are spending money. They even have oil changes. They'll wash your bike and detail your bike. All right.
Good.
They have all your biker apparel with all your vendors.
Look at the what's that? Cocoa Bongos.
I know. Look at that orange one. Now we're down here at the Beaver Bar and it's about almost 1 o'clock.
It's still no good.
And it's already packed. Hey, there's one for sale if anybody's looking. You got your chains and your t-shirts.
You take off a lot of. All right, come on, quick, Walker.
We're gonna check out what's happening here at the Beaver Bar. Surfside. Let's get us a drink. Hi, ladies.
Lemonade stand. Your boots and your merchandise and your knives.
I'm gonna look this up. What is it?
Oh, Beachin With The Boones. Funnel
Yeah.
cakes, cotton candy, kettle corn. That's where they're detailing some of the bikes back there. What's that right now? Oh, cheesesteak. Let's go see.
All right.
Oh my goodness, they even have Uncle Joe's barbecue. And if you could smell it, you would definitely be hungry. Smells delicious. They even have breakfast available out here. Wish I'd known that earlier, because I sure am hungry. Sausage and peppers. So it's good to see you. You having fun? Yeah. You having fun? Was it good? Smells good over here. What'd you get?
Got the pulled pork.
Pulled pork. Oh yeah. I'm gonna
See
have
the
to-
Philly steak.
Better be good.
Oh, see there? Y'all having fun?
Well, there you have it. There's a look at Spring Bike Week 2023 down here at the Beaver Bar in Murrells Inlet. Make sure you like this channel, subscribe, and keep up and ring that bell notification to keep up with what's going on around the beach. Why?
So you too can keep beaching. Thanks for watching this. Until next time, keep riding.
Look. I think he's been on the bike too long.